Hey guys, so if you're wondering why your signal light doesn't work sometimes, probably it does have an accumulated dust in here, in this part right here somewhere. So sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So what we're gonna do today is gonna have to clean this part right here, or so the signal light, so it will start working again. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't due to the dust accumulation. So let's start by removing this part right here. Let's go. I've just removed the two screw right here. So here's the screw. So it's from the top, and the one is on the bottom right here. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but yep, it's there. So once removed, secure the screws. Go. And remove the cover gently, because there are some wirings right there, so you don't want to damage this part. So what you can do is just swing this over, so it's easier for you to take this off, like so. So once you're there, just swing this over again on top. So once you swing it on top, you will have a quick and easy access on this one. So what you can do is get a flat screw. So what you can do is just remove this top part right here. You can see, so this is the only part we need to clean and remove, this top part right here. You can see, no need to remove this whole section right here, because once you remove this part, we'll be having a hard time putting it back, because there are a lot of moving parts right down there. So just grab yourself a flat screw, like so, and then unlock this part right here. See, just grab it and then put the flat screw right there. And once you pop this open, you're good to go. Just be careful, because you might damage this part. It's kind of a bit difficult. Let's see. There you go. Once it pops, just swing it over, and now you can see the whole mechanism inside there. So this is what we need to sand and clean, and this part right here too. Yeah, it's a bit dusty, so sometimes this thing, or due to the dust accumulation, this part right here will lose contact and it will not work due to that reason. So just let's grab a sandpaper and sand this out, and this part right here also. So sand it gently. You don't want to overdo it, because if you do, it will lose contact on this part right here, or in this section right here. So sand this. Let's sand this first, the bottom part. So just don't overdo it, because like I've said, it will lose contact, and instead of fixing this signal light, it will not work anymore. So just be careful. This part right here also, just gently rub this with the sandpaper. Just to remove the dirt. Alright, so once you're done with that sanding, grab yourself a napkin, put some alcohol on it, just light alcohol, a small amount of alcohol, then gently clean this part right here. So as you can see, it's now clean, and this part also. Alright, let's put it back in and see if this is already working or not. So if it's not working, you can do the same process again, but just don't overdo it. Or you can just spray this one with a contact cleaner if you have at home. You can spray this part right here, but I like to remove it and clean this part instead. So this snaps back here like so. Okay, once it snaps back, let's turn on the back and see if it does work. Okay, let's put it that way for now. Let's turn on the bike. Okay, so now let's test the left signal first. Okay, and the push and stop, and then the right signal. Now it's working. So let's see if it's working on front. Right signal is working. Off. Left signal, it's also working. So all good. Both signal lights are working. And fortunately this bike doesn't have a hazard light, so we cannot test both lights at the same time. Okay, so again guys, that's how easy that is to clean your signal light if it's not working. And like I've said, if you want an easier one, you can just spray this part right here with a contact cleaner. Still is a band-aid solution guys, because this is an old motorcycle. It's been running for about 5 years now. So if you like a permanent fix, you just replace this part right here. But if you want to save yourself a couple of bucks and you don't want to go over to the shop and have this fix, you can just, if you like, and if you're like me, you can do it yourself and clean this part right here. It's easier that way, and you can save a couple of bucks. So again guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Peace out.